Good day, everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to fiscal years. So let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create fiscal years, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is to provide a structured timeline for financial planning, reporting, and analysis by dividing the financial calendar into distinct periods. So the business can track performance, manage budgets, and comply with regulatory requirements more effectively. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So we're already here in back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So type the username and your password. So click this login. Go to the setup and locate this fiscal years. So I will discuss what is all about. So the fiscal year begin refers to starting date for the fiscal years, marking the common sense of financial recording and reporting activities. So the fiscal year end signify the conclusion of the fiscal year, indicating the end date of the accounting period. So it's closed. You can select yes or no. Typically indicates that all financial transactions for the fiscal year have been completed and necessary reconciliations and reports have been finalized. So as you can see, the fiscal year begin in 2020 to January 1, January 1 to the fiscal year end to December 31, 2020. So this is the part of the fiscal year. You can click this add new after you can put the date of the fiscal year begin and fiscal year end. So this is the fiscal years.